Hello everyone, I'm Avinash and I'm back again with an amazing resource for you guys. That is Leetcode company wise problems or a DSA material. I also have one bonus resource for you guys, so watch this video complete to get this bonus resource. Before starting the video, if you are new to this channel and you are looking for placement material, job opportunities, startup list and free tech resources, then I regularly share these resources and I have already shared many resources like 2024 funded startup list, 80s friendly resume template, free DSA material, cloud resources, web development resources, AIML, many more. So go check it out. Okay. And if you need any particular research, do comment. I will share it with you guys. So in this GitHub, you will get company wise lead code problems. Okay, for example, if you are looking company wise lead code question for Accenture, then just click on it. You will get the list of problems asked in Accenture and its solution link. Okay, also the practice link which will redirect you to the lead code. Okay, which you can practice and solve. Back to again. Okay, like this we have different companies like almost 180 plus companies, like let's go to the top alphabetical order: Adobe, Amazon, American Express, Apple, Barclays. These are the some top companies. And the problems asked, the easy to medium. Okay, Citadel, Citrix, Coursera, and so many, like you will get the question link plus the solution link in the language which is being solved. Okay, so you can practice, although it's not new, but yeah, the concept and the type of question get uh, repeated, so you can practice and get the idea what type of questions can be asked from these companies, what are the difficulty level, so based on that you can prepare. Okay, so this GitHub repository is very helpful for you guys. I will attach the link in the description. So another, that is the bonus resource. In this also, in this drive link, you will get a company wise lead code question or DSA material like Adobe lead code question. Here these are the list of questions which have been curated and asked in Adobe. Okay, it will redirect you to the lead code where you can practice. Like this we have Amazon lead code questions. Most of the questions are repeated, so you can get the difficulty level of these companies. Okay, Amazon, many questions for Amazon, for Walmart, for Google, for Goldman Sachs, for Facebook. So these are the questions prepared by someone. I do not own this drive. JP Morgan, Uber, Twitter, VMware, Microsoft. So if you need this resource, then do comment on the video. I will share it with you guys. Okay, and this one will be attached in the description. For this, do comment DSA company wise material. I will share it with you guys. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon. Okay, bye bye.